guys, so today's video I'll be showing you how to do short passion twists. So let's jump into this video. So first you're going to need some hair. I have free dress braid bohemian curl. It is 1B and it's 20 inches. Then you're going to need scissors. You're going to need an edge brush. You're going to need this. I use this to part my hair since we don't have a parting comb. You're going to need the crochet needle. And you're going to need some jam or whatever you want to use to hold your hair. And then I have this 24-hour ebony edge control. So as you can see, this is what the hair looks like before I distress it. And I'm using 3 strands. And this is what it looks after I distress it. So I'm going to go ahead and part this side for you in the front so it can look like the other side. So I'm going to use the end of this brush to start the part. My hair is a little bit nappy because I didn't comb it out before I started parting. And then I also have this pink comb. And I'm just using this to make sure the part is straight how I want it. So I'm giving y'all more up close of what the other side looks like. So now I'm just combing this side out because, like I said, my hair is nappy and it isn't really combed out like it should be. So I'm going to just split this in 3 sections. So I'm strictly only using this edge control for the front part of my hair because I want to make sure that my edges are snatched. I don't know why I keep saying snapped. And I'm just going to put it basically on the base. And then I'm going to use this edge brush to swoop them to the side. Just like the other side is. Making sure that I have enough. So I'm basically just swooping it in the direction that my hair is going. Or my hairline. And I know they're not 100% even parts, but it's fine. So here is some rubber bands because I am also doing the double rubber band method. And what I mean by double is I am applying one to my real hair to keep it secured. And then I also use one at the end of the twist when I'm finished. So now I'm going to use this jam and I apply this to the rest of it. So that way my hair is laid and it's not so thick and fuzzy like. And I did use this whole entire jar. So now I'm going to take this crochet needle and just put it through my hair, the root of my hair, and then I'm going to bring the bohemian curl hair out. And I'm only going to take one part of it out, that way it can be one on one side and then the other on the other side. And I'm going to split my real hair in half and I'm just going to start twisting it. And what I do is I do like to pick up a few like little scoops of the jam and then put it on the hair as I twist it. That way it can stay and look smooth when I'm finished. So now I'm going to get another rubber band and just apply it to the end as far as I can because I don't want them to be too short. And then what I do after I feel like it's secure enough, I'm just going to take my scissors and just cut like a few inches of it off. And it's finished. So this part, I'm just going to basically just speed through it because you already know what I'm doing. I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing so you wouldn't be confused. And of course, if you wanted to try this method, if you did this hairstyle or something similar. And of course, I'm going to leave my sideburns out because I'm going to swoop them in towards the end. But yeah, I'm just going to do the same steps that I did to the first one. Okay, so the front's done. I'll come back on camera when I'm completely done. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. It took me, I don't know, like 7 hours, or I guess. And as you can see, I did swoop my sideburns and everything. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. It's really cute. It kind of looks like my real hair. So now I'm going to take this growth oil and I'm just going to put it on my scalp. And of course, this is going to help my scalp stay healthy, moisturized, and it's going to help it grow. And I'm just going to pull it through all of my hair on my scalp, and I'm just going to, you know, massage it in my scalp to make sure it's really in there. And yeah. Yeah, you guys, this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial on how to do short passion twists. But if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.